Hi guys, this is Ian from Tech Essentials PH, and today we're going to review the BM800 USB. I recently picked up this microphone from Shopee a few weeks ago because I badly needed one ASAP. Di ako makapag-communicate in-game sa Valorant. I needed to type mga enemy info para malaman ng team. I actually had a microphone before this one, pero very cheap lang siya. So of course, very cheap lang din yung quality. Very low yung volume output niya and minsan static lang daw yung naririnig instead of my voice. At nung nasira siya, I decided to just buy a proper mic. Here's a quick unboxing. Ito yung box niya, of course, very generic packaging dahil hindi naman siya branded. May katulad siyang mic na ni-review ni Kamotek Reviews, so I assume yung mga mic na ganito from the same factory lang yung nag-manufacture from China. And OEMs lang siya. Sa loob ng box, we have a user manual, USB Type-C to Type-A connection wire, tripod mount, tripod, the mic itself, and a foam filter. Alright, so let's set up the mic para ma-review na natin siya. Okay, so this is how the mic sounds like very near my mouth, around 1.5 inches away, with the volume knob at the 12 o'clock position. Let me show you. So for podcasters, most likely this is going to be their setup, and also for gamers who use the mic arms, this is how they will sound like as well. However, for me, medyo naiilang ako kapag nandito yung mic and I'm playing FPS games. So what I do is I put my mic beside my monitor. This is around, let me measure it real quick. Around mga 20 inches away from my mouth, and this is how you will sound like with this mic 20 inches away from it, with the volume knob at the 12 o'clock position. And I think it sounds great, still great. Understandable pa rin naman yung comms mo in-game probably. But I'm seeing from my recorder na it's very different from compared to when you're using it near your mouth. So, gawin natin is increase natin yung volume to the 3 o'clock position. Okay, so ito na yung sound niya kapag yung volume knob is naka 3 o'clock position, 20 inches away from you. And I think it sounds great. For my needs, okay na yung 12 o'clock position. But for you, if this is the volume setting that you want, medyo mas malakas, okay na rin yun. I mean, it's up to you. But for me, yung 12 o'clock position ng volume knob is great. I can communicate clearly in game, and yung Discord ko, it picks up my voice when I speak, and kapag di ako nagsasalita, it won't pick up anything. So okay, so let's bring it back and bring back the volume to half. By the way, lahat ng sound na to is raw and unedited. Diretso siya to my Audacity software, exported, and that's pretty much it. No editing, no filters whatsoever. Oh, let's do a quick background noise test to see yung noise reduction capabilities nitong microphone. I'll turn my fan on. Okay, so checking from my recorder, parang di naman nagbago when I turned on my fan. I'll put it in max to see if it changes. Ayan, so it's picking up more signals, so I guess napipick up niya yung sound. I'll try to point it somewhere else and see if magbago. Not that big of a change, so I guess the noise reduction isn't that great on this microphone. So probably gumamit kayo ng third-party software to regulate the sound, and yung thresholds para clear pa rin. I mean, if you're speaking, that's the only time the mic will pick up any sound. So that's it basically. Okay, so for my overall thoughts, the sound is quite okay. I'm not in any position to say if sobrang ganda ng mic na to or sobrang pangit because I'm not a sound engineer. But for my needs, sobrang okay na to, and for 600 pesos, this is a very good deal. The mic, I'd say, is good for gamers, streamers, podcasters, mga work from home setup if you're not satisfied with your built-in mic sa laptop, or for PCs, for example, walang built-in na mic, so you have to have a microphone. This is great because it's very easy to set up. It's just a USB plug and play microphone. So yeah, overall it's good for all functions, and I think you should pick one up ASAP. Thank you for watching Tech Essentials PH, and I'll see you on the next one.